Ever wondered where all those important signed documents disappear to within Dochub? Let's fix that right now. First things first, you'll need to log into your Dochub account once you're in. Take a look around your main dashboard. You'll see your recent activity and a few key navigation options. The most powerful tool at your fingertips is the search bar. Usually located at the top of your screen, this is your express lane to finding exactly what you need. To pinpoint your signed documents, we'll utilize Dochub's filtering capabilities. Look for options that allow you to refine your search by document status. You'll want to select Signed or Completed from the available choices. You can also directly type keywords like Signed or Agreement into the search bar. Dochub will then process this and display any documents that match your query, including those that have been electronically signed. As you can see, a list of all your signed documents will now appear. You can easily scroll through them, and each entry will typically show the document title, the date it was signed, and perhaps who signed it. Clicking on any of these will open the document directly. You'll be able to view the full content, and importantly, see where the electronic signature is located, confirming its validity. If you need to save a copy for your records, simply look for the download or export option, usually found within the open document view. This ensures you have a local backup whenever you need it. And there you have it. By mastering the search and filter functions, you can effortlessly locate any of your Dochub signed documents, keeping your important agreements organized and easily accessible. Say goodbye to lost paperwork.